I decided to get involved with this program because I want to become a firefighter and an EMT. So when I complete this program, it'll give me the certification to basically get a job at a station.
This is called District 51 Fire Academy, and this is just an opportunity for a lot of the students to learn about the fire department.
I've always called it a firefighting internship of sorts. As a kid, I've always just wanted to become like a paramedic and help people, and then I've really loved the firefighting side of it too.
We received fire training. We learned how to efficiently put on our gear within a minute. We actually did go to a controlled fire burn building.
For me, hands-on really helps me like put a picture in my mind. If I were to just sit there in front of a PowerPoint the entire day, I wouldn't be able to like do half the stuff I can do with this class.
They'll have a state certified through Colorado for Firefighter 1, then with the hazmat, state certified as hazmat awareness and operations. Once we're done with the EMS part of it, they'll be emergency medical responders certified. In wildland, they'll be a firefighter type 2. They're looking at a position in a fire department. They walk in, show their certificates, and leaps and bounds ahead of the person coming right off the street.
Getting us in ahead of the game, I feel like it'll really help us make a difference in our futures and climb up the ladder.
It gives high schoolers an opportunity to get into a career right after high school without having to go through what a lot of other people have to go through to get into this field.
First time I took them into a live fire, their eyes were huge, and now I would go into any fire with them right now because I know what they've learned, their confidence level. It's incredible to just see how they've grown just through this, the first 6 months of this.